across the vast tropical grasslands. The magnificent white Brahman bull stands as a symbol of strength, endurance, and natural beauty. Its brilliant white coat, powerful body, distinctive hump, and naturally curved horns make it instantly recognizable. Today, our journey begins with this remarkable animal before moving inside a modern horn processing facility, where naturally sourced horn material is carefully prepared and transformed through a precise manufacturing process. As the journey moves toward the factory, large transport vehicles arrive at a highly organized industrial facility. The production area is designed with dedicated cleaning stations, cutting equipment, grinding machines, polishing systems, and inspection workstations. Before any processing begins, the incoming horn material is carefully documented and inspected. Workers examine its size, shape, thickness, surface condition, and natural characteristics to determine the most suitable production path. The first processing stage is careful cleaning. Raw horn material can carry dirt and natural residue, so workers begin by removing unwanted material from the surface. Specialized washing and cleaning equipment helps reach curved and difficult areas. After cleaning, each piece is rinsed and placed in a controlled drying area. Proper drying is important because excess moisture can interfere with later cutting, shaping, and polishing operations. Once the material is completely dry, workers begin sorting and grading. Every horn is different, so experienced inspectors compare pieces according to length, thickness, curvature, surface quality, and overall condition. Higher quality sections are selected for premium products, while other usable portions can be assigned to different applications. This careful grading stage helps the factory make efficient use of the natural material, while maintaining consistent production standards. The selected horns now move to the preparation area, where workers identify the most useful sections. Cutting lines are carefully marked according to the intended product. Modern cutting equipment allows operators to separate the material with greater accuracy and control. Because the horn has a naturally curved structure, every cut must be planned carefully. The goal is to create usable blanks while preserving as much valuable material as possible. After cutting, the rough horn pieces are examined again. Their edges may be uneven, and the outer surface can contain natural imperfections. Workers use specialized grinding equipment to remove rough areas and create a smoother foundation. Dust extraction systems operate alongside the machinery, while trained operators control pressure and movement. This stage gradually changes the rough pieces into clean blanks, ready for precision shaping. The shaping process continues, with increasingly precise grinding. Coarse abrasives first remove larger irregularities, followed by finer abrasives that create a smoother surface. Workers constantly inspect the material under bright lighting to identify scratches, uneven areas, or unwanted marks. The process requires patience, because removing too much material could change the desired thickness or shape. Precision is essential at every movement. Some selected horn pieces require controlled heating before they can be formed into specific shapes. In the modern facility, temperature and heating time are carefully monitored. The material is gradually softened enough to allow experienced craftsmen to adjust its natural curvature. Once the desired shape is achieved, the piece is allowed to cool and stabilize. This combination of controlled technology and skilled handling creates consistent results. After forming, every piece receives another inspection. Workers check its shape, symmetry, thickness, and stability before it moves forward. Production templates and measuring tools help maintain consistent dimensions. If small irregularities remain, craftsmen can make controlled adjustments through additional grinding or shaping. By completing these checks early, the factory reduces the possibility of defects appearing during later manufacturing stages. The shaped blanks now enter the precision machining stage. Depending on the product, specialized machines create accurate outlines, openings, grooves, and connection points. Operators carefully monitor each operation because natural horn can vary in density and structure. Modern equipment provides accuracy, but skilled workers remain essential. They adjust settings and inspect the material to make sure every component develops the correct dimensions. For decorative horn products, craftsmen may add carefully designed patterns and details. Fine cutting tools are used to create controlled lines, curves, or textured elements without destroying the natural character of the material. Under strong inspection lights, workers examine every detail as the design develops. The combination of natural horn patterns and precise craftsmanship gives each finished component its own distinctive appearance. The next stage is fine sanding. The horn pieces pass through several levels of surface refinement, beginning with stronger abrasives and gradually moving toward much finer materials. Each pass removes tiny marks left by previous machining operations. Workers frequently stop to inspect the surface by touch and sight. The objective is a smooth, even foundation that will respond beautifully to the final polishing process. Now, the polishing stage begins. Specialized polishing wheels and compounds are carefully applied to the prepared horn surfaces. Slowly, the dull material develops a smoother and more refined appearance. The natural colors and patterns become more visible as the surface gains clarity. Skilled operators control the pressure and speed of the polishing equipment, ensuring that the material receives an even finish without unnecessary heat or damage. Once the main surface has been polished, workers focus on the edges and smaller details. Sharp or uneven edges are carefully rounded and refined. Corners are smoothed, openings are checked, and connection points are cleaned. This stage may look simple, but it has a major effect on the final quality. Premium products require attention, not only to their visible surfaces, but also to every small detail. For horn combs, the prepared material moves into a highly precise cutting operation. The blank is measured and shaped before narrow teeth are formed using specialized equipment. Every tooth must maintain consistent spacing and a smooth edge. After cutting, craftsmen carefully sand and polish the teeth to remove roughness. The final result is a functional product that combines natural material with precise manufacturing. For eyewear components and decorative frames, precision becomes even more important. Carefully measured horn blanks are cut into specific shapes, while openings and hinge areas are created with controlled machinery. The edges are refined by hand before assembly. Craftsmen inspect the frame repeatedly to ensure proper alignment, smooth surfaces, and a balanced appearance. Throughout the factory, quality control is not limited to the final stage. Workers continuously inspect the material after cleaning, cutting, shaping, machining, sanding, and polishing. Any piece that fails to meet the required standard can be returned for additional refinement. This constant inspection helps maintain consistency and prevents small imperfections from moving unnoticed into the final assembly area. Now, every completed product enters the final quality control station. Inspectors examine the shape, dimensions, surface finish, edges, fittings, and overall appearance. Products are compared against established production standards before approval. Any item showing a noticeable defect is before packaging. The approved products are carefully cleaned and prepared for presentation. Protective materials are placed around delicate surfaces to prevent scratches during transportation. Each item may receive its own protective sleeve, box, or presentation case. Workers make one final visual inspection before sealing the finished packages are then organized for storage and shipment. Labels and product information are checked, while cartons are carefully arranged to protect their contents. Workers verify quantities and packaging condition before the shipment leaves the facility. What began as naturally formed horn has now passed through looking back at the complete process, the transformation is remarkable. Natural horn. The factory demonstrates how modern manufacturing and skilled craftsmanship can work together. Machines provide accuracy and consistency, while experienced workers provide judgment and careful control. Every natural piece requires slightly different handling, making human expertise an important part. As the documentary reaches the final stage, rows of finished horn products are carefully prepared for shipment. Their smooth surfaces reflect the factory lights, while natural patterns remain visible beneath the polished finish. The journey that began with the magnificent white Brahman bull has reached its conclusion. From careful material selection and cleaning to precision cutting, controlled shaping, detailed machining, sanding, polishing, inspection, assembly, and packaging, every stage has played a role. Nature provides the material, modern technology provides precision, and skilled craftsmen bring the final design to life. Thank you for joining us inside this modern white Brahman bullhorn processing facility and exploring the complete manufacturing journey. If you enjoyed seeing how natural horn materials are carefully transformed through modern production and skilled craftsmanship, make sure to like this video, share it with others who enjoy factory documentaries, and subscribe for more fascinating manufacturing processes from around the world.